Welcome to Unlimited Monies Blog, your ultimate destination for everything related to app development, website blog tips, tech tutorials, business strategies, and making money online. If you're ready to dive into the world of digital entrepreneurship and unlock unlimited potential, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's content, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends who share your passion for technology and online business. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Remember, your feedback helps us grow and improve, so don't hesitate to reach out. You can also comment in the description. Now, let's get started and turn your dreams into reality. Thanks for tuning in.
I welcome you back to my channel Unlimited Monies Blog. In our previous video, we were able to move into the process on how to remove m or question mark m equal to 1 parameter in our blog URL when visitor use mobile device to view our or visit our website, our blog. Google will use this parameter to identify this user is coming in or is accessing the blog with mobile devices like either Android device or tablets, what kind of devices, but that is from mobile. So in this video, since we were able to remove such parameter, we all understand that the procedures, like the looks of that URL was so nice and amazing, and it was like provisionally to people. So in this video, I come into again to bring the enlightenment on how you can remove the dates in blog post URL. Like, what I mean is, let me go to the blog. This is my dashboard. I want to open the blog, like the website, like the blog here. So this is the first post. This is my first post. I've been made of this post since the first time I created this blog for the tutorial. So this is the first post. As you can see, if you want to understand what I mean, if you click on this URL search box and you click on this pencil icon, if you are using Chrome, this will be very simple and easier. Let me refresh something so that you understand what I mean. Here you click on this place, click on here. You see, okay, now stop that. You see, this post does not have dates in it. But if you now say, okay, let's look for another, you see this one now does not have posts like dates. There is no dates attached in this URL. It's only the blog URL slash the blog title, like you used to see, and it would have been like .html, all those kind of a thing. But this one does not have that kind of thing. It's look provisional like others of the blogs. But in normal URL default, you will see dates in this URL attached, that is the day, maybe months and the year. So let me go back to my blogger URL here. I'm in my blogger. So as you can see, the other one, there is no date in it. Okay, now in this default blogger, I want to open the post that is here in this blog. Go to posts. Under the post, I click on maybe anywhere here, maybe these three dots, and so that I can view the post. I want to view the post in a new tab. I don't want to distract this particular area, so I open it in new tab. So while I'm coming here, I slash down. This is my tab here. I click on it. As you can see, I have opened the post, the same post too, but I have refreshed. Okay. Look at the URL here. Click on this area. As you can click on the pencil icon like I showed you before. You can see here that we have a date attached to this. There's date, see dates here, day and the months of the year and the months of the year in the blog post URL. So before you see the post title.html. So if you can see, the previous one we didn't have all these things. It was only the blog URL and the post title and without the a.html extension. So that is what we want to do in our blog post in this video, so that totally it will be like our video, like our title or our URL block, it will look professional and people will just see it and like it, and it just be as if this blog post or this blog particularly is not from or is not hosting in blog spots. So this let us without wasting of any time want to dive into the process on how to do it. First of all, you log into your blogspot account. Select the blog that you want to do these changes. If you want to use new blog to try it, you can create a new blog and try it. If you want to continue with your main blog, I advise you to do a backup first before you come over and continue with me. If you don't know how to back up, the video there is in the description section of this video. Check on, you see how to back up and restore your blog theme template or blog let me say data, so that if any error or you want to go back to the previous and design or looks, you can easily restore to your previous version of your blog. So click on this sidebar menu. After that, you navigate to theme here, as you can see theme. So after you have navigated to theme, click on this particular area, this drop down button icon. It depends the device that you are using. If your device is desktop and you have not seen the drop down, but at least you must look for a way to reach this place known as edit HTML. So when you reach here, you click on the edit HTML. But like I said earlier, you need to back up your blog template before you come over. But if you are using new blog to do this practical, it's okay, you can come over with me. In our previous video, we were able to paste codes here in edit tag, but it is not good to paste or put too much of let me say JavaScript codes, yes, JavaScript codes or even CSS in template inside HTML codes, especially in this edit tag. So I will not use this edit tag again, so that if you are using normal blog posts, you will not see your blog post or your blog will not be like finding it difficult to load finish. It will take a long time to load, sometimes be like it want to be stiff, hang and all those things because of too much of JavaScript in edit tag. So in the best process, if you want to put JavaScript in any external JavaScript, third-party JavaScript that is not coming with the template that you are using, it's good to use it, put it in above, put it below, let me say above the close body tag. I will show you. So first of all, I want to go to my listen and copy the code. I have prepared the code normally. So this is the code I have already highlighted it. So I will copy it now. I've copied it so that I will paste the code link is in the description section of this video. So you will get it there, click there and it will take you to where the code is. You copy the codes, don't edit, don't change anything. The code is going to be as it is. So it will be possible for you to get what we are doing in this video. So after that, if you are using mobile device to view it like like I'm doing, you have to click on this particular place, click on to jump to that particular area I want to paste the code. So click on these three dots. After that, you click on this place known as jump to widgets. So when you click on there, these options will be showing. Click on this last one known as report abuse 1. So once you click there, you click on it, you say it jump us to the almost end of this code. So after that, you scroll down a little. If you already have any codes in it, you may not quickly see this close body tag. You scroll down a little, you will see a close body tag. Close is a body. As you can see the text, the example text on the screen, close body tag 6 here. Reach here. What you have to what you have to do here is, okay, let me zoom it so that you have, let me change my view to mobile to desktop mode so you can be able to see it very well. If you are using Windows, you click on the Control F to search for the body tag. So once you search for the body tag, as you can see, I'm able to, I want to zoom it so that you see it very well. Let me just scroll down to the end bottom. So this is the close body tag as it is. See, this is what we know as close body tag. As you can see it now, it's very clear. Clear now. See the close body tag. So what you have to do here is for you to click on this front. Look at the front here. Once you click on this front, you click on it. Let me show you what I mean. Click on the front. Once you click on the front, the cursor will be blinking, as you can see. So you click on the enter button in either in your desktop or in your mobile device. When once your button pop up on the screen, the button that used to be below the delete button in your device, like your mobile device keyboard, that enter button, sometimes blue, depends the color you choose, sometimes blue, but that enter button, you click on it 3 times. So once you click, there is space between the close body tag and the others um, um, previous codes, the former codes. So once you click it 3 times, so you now touch the middle. Now the cursor is in between the O and the close body tag, so that you can paste the code. When you paste this code like this, there will be a space between, so that either maybe you want to delete it up, or maybe you want to just come and indicate it to know where it is. It will be easy for you to know where the thing started and where it's in. So you now press an O like I did. You click on the paste option from this 3 row like this. It depends how your own will show. So my own shows paste. I paste it. So you can see I have pasted the code. It's nothing more than that. You don't have to do any other thing. It's for you to click save and save it. As you can see, the code is on its own. It does not link or mingle with any. There's a space between the code and the old codes. So if you are using desktop, normally you will see a save icon like this save icon. You click it. If you are using mobile device, you click on the 3 dots, you see save text, you click it. Now the code is saved successfully. It's a successful save. So let me return my this into mobile review, so that once I also show people that are using device, a mobile device, to how to save it if they are using mobile device. So if you were able to change it to desktop mode, you will be able to save it just the way I did. But this is just save. So you click on this save, it will save. After that, you go back. Once you go back, all the blocker posts that you have made, you have the ready-made one. Other ones they will be out, that like there will be no dates again in the blocker. So what you have to do is to refresh. If you may want to refresh it, but I advise you refresh to avoid frustration, so that if there is no changes, you will not be as if what you are doing is not working. So you now click on this post. After you click on the post, click on the 3 dots and view it. Maybe you press an O to view, or just view it. You view it. You want to view the post. See, I have opened the post now. Now let's click on the URL search box, the URL browser box. Okay, click on there. Then now click on this particular place, pencil icon. You see there is no .html extension and no date. As you can see, all the blog post is look professional and nice. So this is what is there in this particular teaching in this video. So it is nothing more than that. This is how it will look. You can see the blog post look nice. Even if like at Debbie I'm using custom domain, wow, it will be as if this blog is not hosting in Blogger platform. So after you have saved it, you in the script, you go and check up like we are doing. So in this video I have shown you how to remove the date from your blogger blog post URLs using a simple JavaScript snippets. This will help you create cleaner and more SEO friendly URLs from your blog posts. The script provided removes the dates from the your post URL, leaving just the post title, in the link. So simply follow the instruction in the video, and don't forget to paste the JavaScript codes into your blog HTML section to make it work. You can like I said, the code is there in the description section of this video. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more blogger tips and tricks. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. See you next coming tutorial. The coming tutorial will be a mess. I would not like to mention here, but it's something that you will not like to miss. Also, click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. When I drop the video, you will have it. Goodbye.